Welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you how I achieved this pink glittery look. You can style this now for the holiday season. It's perfect. To prep my skin, I'm gonna get started with this vitamin enriched face base by Bobbi Brown. I'm going to lather that all over my face and my neck. To prep my lips, I'm using this tripeptide pumping lip by the Inky List. Any excess product from my eyebrows, I'm going to smooth that out. I'm going to start with my foundation by Makeup Forever HD Skin. I like to use one pump, but you can use as much as you need. Then I'm going to proceed with Color Corrector by Huda Beauty Fall Filter Corrector. And for my eyelids, I'm going to use this Maybelline Eraser Multi-Usage Concealer. While that sets, I'm going to get started on my eyebrow with this Anastasia Brow Definer in the shade Dark Brown. Then I'm going to conceal that with my Bobbi Brown Skin Full Concealer. This one is a little bit brighter and it makes my eyebrows look very elevated. Then I'm going to set that with the Brow Gel by Anastasia. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Rome ND Korean eyeshadow palette. Making sure to spread the colors in and out, outward motions, and over the eyeshadow. The first color that I used was a bit translucent. Then I am building up color pink, and then I'm using a powder eyeshadow brush around the corners of the eyelids in outwards and upward motion. I want to build in coverage. However much coverage you need is as much as you use. Then I want to get started with my eyeliner. I'm using these two eyeliners, one from Revlon and one from Pixie. This is one way that you can use or that you can do your eyeliner. There are many ways that you can do your eyeliner. This is one of them. You can do it by using a liquid eyeliner. Don't worry about the shape. Don't worry about anything. Just get a nice line there from the corner of your eye and upwards. Doesn't have to be perfect. Look at that. That's not cute at all. But most people can't get it right, including myself. But don't worry, we can fix it. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Well. I'm actually proud of myself. Ow. Get it, girl. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to grab that Bobbi Brown concealer and I'm going to grab a very tiny brush, concealer brush. I'm going to clean out all around that area. This is one way to do it. There are many other ways I could have done this, but this is one of the ways that you can do it. In future videos, I'm going to show you other ways to do it that might be easier for you, might be not. But if you own one of these eyeliners, this is one way to clean it. So I'm cleaning it all around the area and I'm giving it the shape that I wanted to have, because I couldn't have the precision using the tools that I had before, but with a brush I am much witty. Notice how I also started the eyeliner from the middle. I didn't extend it all the way from the corner of my eye because I feel like it tends to look a little messy. So I only want the eyeliner to go from the middle of my eye all the way out. So I'm going to lift it as much as I need to lift it, and I'm going to extend it as much as it needs to. Check it out. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back with the eyeshadow just a tad bit. Doesn't have to do too much because essentially what we did is what we erased it. Now I'm going to use the same color underneath a very tiny brush because I don't like it to be too big. Then I'm going to use my pencil eyeliner, and I'm going to now add the shimmer. I love glitter, shimmer, all of that. Looks really, really cute, and I love the one in this palette particularly. I love this brush. It also packs up a lot of product. Then in order to clean up everything, I'm going to go back with my Bobbi Brown concealer in those high points. Not too much product. If you have any excess product, you can use it to fill out other areas. So I like to do my under eyes first with my fingers because that area is very sensitive. Then I'm going to use my concealer brush and I'm going to clean up all around it. Any excess product that I have from those areas, I'm going to bring it up in other areas, or you can use a tissue to clean out the brush. You can use this time to clean up anything in excess and to give the eye the shape that you would like it to have. Covering all the high points. I like to use a powder brush to spread out any excess, and I'm going to use this Patrick Ta contour and bronzer duo. I'm going to contour all those areas. To set, I like to use this Laura Mercier translucent powder in those areas where I highlighted before. For a highlight, I'm going to use the bronzer in those areas, a little bit above the areas that I contour to make it more warm. I forgot to contour my nose, but if you do need to, contour your nose in whichever shape you would like. Play around with the shapes. Then any excess, anything that doesn't look right, I like to spread and to use my powder brush to fix it. Then I'm going to use a liquid blush from Rare Beauty in the color Happy. Just a little bit. This is a very pigmented product. Sometimes I forget how pigmented it can be. Just a touch will do with this product. It's perfect. I want to darken it, so I'm going to use this Kat Von D blush in the color Foxglove, and then anything that looks in excess, I'm going to use my brush. I'm going to highlight with this Laura Mercier highlighter in the shade number 1 around my nose. So however much shine you want around the nose, around the cheekbones, around the lips. This is completely optional. It's up to you. Whatever you would like to shine. Then I'm going to set everything with my Urban Decay All Night. I'm going to use these Ardell lashes. Roll up your lashes. You can put mascara before or after. It's really optional. I'm trying out this new mascara by Benefit. Don't forget your bottom lashes as well, to give your eyes more definition, to make it look bigger if that's what you wish to go for. Then I'm gonna go and do my lips with this Huda Beauty Lip Contour Warm Brown. Don't mind my singing. I was having a good time. I love when I get to do my makeup. It's a very relaxing experience. Then I'm going to use this Anastasia Deep Brown lip, and then I'm going to use my MAC pink in order to bring out the color. I'm going to highlight and clean out those areas using my Bobbi Brown concealer again. And there you have it, this gorgeous pink glittery look. Follow and like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.